Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for joining in. Today's video is going to be all about new launches from NY Bae. I have a bunch of new stuffs with me which are new launches from NY Bae. I will be trying them in front of you guys and I will be sharing my first impression. I will be swatching them and I will be sharing pros and cons of those products. Now I really love the fact that NY Bae is not increasing their price range while launching whole set of products, which is really appreciating because I feel like NY Bae बहुत ही एक अच्छी brand है to support because their products are firstly affordable, they have a wide range to choose from, and all of their products are beginners friendly and budget friendly as well. Most of the items are under ₹300 and yep, that's pretty much it for the intro. Now let's move on to the tutorial. Alright, तो मैंने ऑफ कैमरा ब्राउज फिल कर ली है. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू स्किन प्रेपिंग एंड फॉर दैट आई विल बी यूजिंग this NY Bae Skinfident Vitamin C plus Vitamin B3 face serum, and it's a paraben free product. It's silicone cruelty mineral oil, fragrance and color free. and मैं ना इसको डायरेक्टली अप्लाई नहीं करूँगी. I will take few drops on my palm, then rubbing it between just to warm it up, and it's a product activate भी हो जाएगी. And after that I will simply press it on my skin. Now previously what I used to do is I used to apply serums or like facial oils directly on my skin, and that's not the correct way. You have to rub it between your palm so that जो product है वो थोड़े से warm up हो जाए and जो ingredients वो activate हो जाए. Apart from skincare and makeup, NY Bae has launched their accessories like makeup pouches and makeup brushes. So here I have their makeup pouch which looks something like this, and इसकी color इतनी pretty है ना. You can store your makeup or skincare products. You can use this while traveling because ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा spacious है. So and color मुझे इसकी बहुत पसंद आई है. So yeah, that's the first thing. And secondly, they have launched their brush set and you are getting total 5 brushes. This one retails for ₹349. You are getting a powder brush, a fan brush, a sponge applicator to apply your eyeshadow, 2 small brushes. Primer, I have this NY Bae Pro Primer. It's an orange color correcting face primer. I will be taking this much. अगेन आई विल नॉट डायरेक्टली अप्लाई इट. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा वार्म अप कर लूँगी मेरी हैंड की बैक साइड पे. ओके, आई फॉरगॉट टू ब्रिंग माई मिरर. ओके, सो आई एम अप्लाइंग इट ओनली ऑन दिस साइड ऑफ माई फेस सो दैट आप लोगों को वो डिफरेंस दिख पाए. एंड कैन यू गाइस सी, आई मीन लुक एट द डिफरेंस. ये वाली पोर्शन बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ एंड बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट दिख रही है, वैडस ये वाली पोर्शन बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली, एंड यहाँ पे मेरी पोर्स भी विजिबल है बट यहाँ पे ना मेरी पोर्स मिनिमाइज हो गई है. सो या एंड रेडनेस भी काफ़ी कम लग रही है ये वाली पोर्शन पे. For the foundation, I have this NY Bae Dewy Drops Liquid Foundation and the shade here I'm using is 09. Okay, I'm just using a spatula to scrap some product. Now I don't know इसकी कवरेज कैसी है, तो मैं एक ही बार में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई नहीं करूँगी. मैं कम क्वांटिटी में प्रोडक्ट लूँगी एंड देन उसको धीरे धीरे ब्लेंड करूँगी एंड जो कवरेज है उसको बिल्ड करूँगी. Okay, the coverage is quite good. I mean, you can see that first layer has covered my acne marks. For concealer, I have this NY Bae HD concealer and the shade here I'm using is dark and white chocolate Prizzle. I will be using this concealer to highlight my face because the shade is super light on my skin. So I will be using it to highlight areas like my under eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin and a little bit on my forehead. And I will be using that same concealer as my eyeshadow base. इसकी consistency इतनी creamy and thin है that you can blend out this concealer with your finger as well. To set my concealer and foundation, I will be using NY Bay Runway Radiance Compact in the shade 2 Fair Beige, and I will be using the brush set. I will be using the powder brush to apply my compact. That's how it looks like. बहुत ही छोटू सा है, so you can carry it in your bag and traveling के लिए एकदम perfect है. So I'm taking this much of product. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं ले रही हूँ. Next for the blush, I have this NY Bay Sunset Skyline blush in the shade 07 Sundown Red. And look at the shade, it's so bright and so pretty. It has that peach and red and orange tint in it, which is looking so beautiful, isn't it? The shade is quite bright, so I feel like it will suit every skin tone. Let's see that how pigmented the shade is and how it blends. So pigmented and look at it. मैंने गलती कर दी इतना ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई करके. Where is my beauty blender? Okay, I'm just blending. Next, I will be using NY Bay Shine and Shimmer highlighter in the shade 04 Bronze Beauty, and I will be using the fan brush to apply the highlighter. And the shade is beautiful copper color. Let me just apply it. Just like the blush, the highlighter is also very pigmented and बहुत ही अच्छे से blend भी हो रही है. बिल्कुल भी चौकी या तो चंकी ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स नहीं है इसमें, easily blend भी हो रही है. Now let's move on to eye makeup. After launching single eyeshadows, NY Bay has launched their eyeshadow palette. I have the shade Peppy Pinks with me, which has pinks, then mauves and shades like that. That's how it looks like. बहुत ही beautiful shades है, pinks है, mauves है, dark browns है. So first I will be using this bright pink color. After that, I will be taking this peach color on a small blending brush, and I will start to blend out the edges. Up next, I will be using this dark color, and I will be applying it on my outer V. And I really hope कि आप लोग भी देख पा रहे हो कि मेरी फेस पे कोई भी फॉल आउट नहीं हो रही है, एंड जो शेड्स है वो easily blend हो रही है एंड अप्लाई भी हो रही है, which is really appreciating. अभी मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं एक फ्लफी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लेके सारे शेड्स को एक बार हल्के हाथों से ब्लेंड कर लूँगी ताकि कोई हार्श एजेस ना रहे. Alright, okay, for my lower lash line मैं सिर्फ दो कलर्स यूज़ करूँगी. I will be using this peach color and this dark color. That's all. पहले मैं peach color अप्लाई करूँगी और उसके बाद मैं dark color से उसको इंटेंसिफाई करूँगी. Next I will be using this shimmer shade, and I'm using a sponge tip applicator from the NY Bay brush set. This eyeshadow palette has to be the showstopper. Look at the palette. I mean, कोई भी fallouts नहीं है, मेरी face पे कोई भी fallouts नहीं है, सारे colors evenly blend हो गई है and super pigmented है. So definitely आप लोग ये वाली palette try कर सकते हो. I would highly recommend this one. For the lipstick, I'm choosing NY Bay Super Matte lipstick in the shade Isabella 15. Let me quickly apply my false eyelashes, then I will be right back. So here is my final look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please press that bell icon just to get notified whenever I post a new video. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye and take care.